You ever see a recipe just explode online and wonder why? Well, that's what we're doing today. We're diving into the viral TikTok banana bread. Let's break down what all the hype is really about.
Okay, get this 4 million plus likes. That's the number we're talking about here for this one recipe from Chef Shireen Pavlidis on TikTok. I mean, when something gets that much love, you just know it's got to be something special, right? So, yeah, we're going to figure out exactly what that is.
So, what's the magic here? What makes this recipe so fail-proof? That's what we're digging into in this first section. It's not just one little trick, it's actually a few key things working together that make it a total home run every single time. All right, first things first, the texture. You know how banana bread can be tricky? Sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's kind of gooey in the middle. Well, this one hits that perfect sweet spot. It's super moist and tender, and this is a big deal, it's never, ever undercooked. That's a tough balance to get, but this recipe nails it.
Okay, now for the flavor. We've all had that banana bread that's just sweet, right? Like it's more of a sugar bomb than anything else. This is not that. The sweetness is perfectly balanced, so the brown sugar is there to support the banana, not overpower it. You actually get to taste the banana, which is, the whole point. And you know what they say? We eat with our eyes first. This thing comes out of the oven looking incredible. A perfect, beautiful golden brown loaf. And if you throw in some chocolate chunks, forget about it. You get those gooey, melty pockets. It just looks like a picture-perfect slice of banana bread. But honestly, here's maybe the biggest reason this thing went viral. It's a one-bowl recipe. Yep, one bowl. You don't have to fuss with one bowl for wet ingredients, another for dry. Nope. Everything gets mixed together in one place. That means the whole process is super simple, and cleanup is a total breeze. And that's exactly the kind of thing that works on TikTok, right? Low effort, huge reward. It makes anyone, literally anyone, feel like they can nail it.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, how do I actually make this thing? Let's get into it. In this next section, we're going to walk through the super simple blueprint, starting with what you'll need. So take a look at this list. Unsalted butter, brown sugar, eggs, bananas, flour. See a theme here? This is all stuff you probably already have in your kitchen right now. There's nothing weird or fancy you have to go searching for, which is just awesome.
In the process, just as easy. Seriously, you just cream the butter and sugar together, then you mix in the eggs and the mashed bananas, gently fold in your flour, baking soda, and salt, stir in some chocolate if you're feeling it, and pour the whole thing into a loaf pan. That's it. 5 simple steps, and you're on your way.
Okay, listen up, because this is probably the most important tip in the whole recipe. Are you ready? Do not overmix the batter. Seriously, once you add the flour, be gentle. If you go crazy mixing it, you're going to get tough, dense banana bread, and nobody wants that. So just mix it until it's barely combined, and then stop. That's the real secret to keeping it tender. All right, our batter is in the pan, ready to go, so let's get to the final stretch. How to bake it, store it, and, of course, enjoy it. This is the home stretch, from the oven right to your plate. So for the baking part, it's pretty standard stuff. You're going to set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let it bake for about 45 to 60 minutes. And the best way to know if it's done? The top will look amazing, all golden brown, but the real test is the classic toothpick trick. Just stick one right in the center. If it comes out clean, you are golden. And hey, if you're the kind of person who likes to know the numbers, here's a quick fact for you. If you slice this loaf into about 12 pieces, you're looking at roughly 283 calories per slice. Just a little FYI. So what do you do with leftovers? If you have any leftovers, that is. It's super easy. Eating it today? Just leave it on the counter. It'll be fine. For any longer than that, stick it in an airtight container in the fridge. It's good for 4 or 5 days. And here's the real pro tip. Take a slice, pop it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. Oh man, it tastes like it just came out of the oven all over again. And that pretty much wraps it up. But we have to end on the most important question of all, the great debate. When you cut yourself a warm slice of this banana bread, do you add a pat of butter or do you eat it plain? Is it perfect as is, or does that butter just take it over the top? I guess that's something you'll have to decide for yourself.